Hello everyone, now today we are here. What is the aim of this experiment? To study the comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of a soap in soft and hard water. Now let's discuss some theory related to this topic, that what is a soft water and what is a hard water. The water that we get from the seas or ocean in which there is a presence of salt is known as the hard water. But the normal water that we use at our homes is known as the soft water. Let's start the activity. To do this activity, what material I require? I require test tubes, test tube stands, scale, glass rod for the stirring, distilled water, hard water that I have made by dissolving the salt in the water. If you can collect the sea water, then that is also a hard water. You can take sea water also. Beakers, two type of soaps. I have taken one solid soap and liquid soap. You can take more type of the soaps also. Digital physical balance for measuring the weight. Now let's do the next part of our activity. In that we want to compare the cleaning capacity of the soap in the soft water and hard water. So for that I am taking only one type of the soap solution. First of all, I will add distilled water in it and then I will add hard water in it. To do that I am taking liquid soap because its cleaning capacity is more as compared to the solid soap that we have judged. Now I am adding liquid soap in the beaker because I want to take its fixed amount. I have taken 2.3 gram of the liquid soap. But if I will add it in the test tube, then it will be 2 gram. Okay. Similarly, now I am adding liquid soap in the test tube. Now I have taken 2 gram of the soap solution in the two test tube. Now I am taking 10 ml of the distilled water and I will add this distilled water in one test tube. Okay. Again I will take hard water of amount 10 ml and add in the second test tube. Now this is my two test tube. In this test tube there is a soap with the distilled water and in this test tube there is a soap with the hard water. Okay. Now I will do the measurement of the length of the 8 centimeter. Okay. Now this is my test tube with hard water and in it there is a soft water. Now I will shake the test tube. Now I want to see the amount of the foam formed in both the test tube. You can see that in the distilled water the amount of the foam is more as compared to the hard water. This shows that the cleaning capacity of the distilled water, or you can say soft water, is more as compared to the hard water. Okay. If you want to do the calculation, then we do the calculation also. First of all, I am measuring the length of the solution with foam with the soft water. With the help of the scale, the length of the solution with foam is 12 centimeter in the case of the soft water. Okay, and the length of the solution with hard water and with foam is approximately equals to 9.5 centimeter. Okay, so let's do the calculation. Now the initial length of the soap with the soft water was 8 centimeter and the soap with the hard water was 8 centimeter. Now the final length of the soap with the soft water was 12 centimeter and the soap with the hard water with foam was 9.5 centimeter. To calculate the length of the foam in the soft water, we will do the subtraction of 12 minus 8, that is equals to 4 centimeter, and in the hard water the foam length is 9.5 minus 8 is equals to 1.5 centimeter. It means the length of the foam in the soft water is more as compared to the length of the foam in the hard water if we take equal amount of the soap and equal amount of the water in it. Now what we have concluded from this activity, that the cleaning capacity of the soap in the hard water is less as compared to the soft water, or we can say that cleaning capacity of the soft water is more than the cleaning capacity of the soap in the hard water. I hope this activity is clear to you and you have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you so much.